Today we're checking out this TruShield Premium Easy Hard Fold tonneau cover for the 2022 and newer Tundras with a 5.5 foot and the 6.5 foot bed. If you are wanting a cleaner look, better weather protection, and fast bed access without having to drill into the truck for the install, this hard tri-fold cover is a simple, solid upgrade over running the bed open, so it's definitely worth checking out. The key feature here is going to start with the hard panel tri-fold design that flips forward in just seconds so you can load tall gear when you need to and fold it flat again when you're done using it. It has this really nice tri-fold design that's lightweight and super easy to use, plus when it's closed, it sits low for a factory plus profile. This is gonna lock to the tailgate so that your stuff is out of sight, and it uses clamp-on side rails for a very simple, easy setup right at home in your driveway. When it comes to construction on this, you're getting very strong yet lightweight aluminum framing with this nice plastic paneling covered by a textured vinyl skin that goes over the top of everything to keep everything looking really clean. The hinges are sealed and the clamps bite to that inner bed rail for a nice, clean, flush look. The whole assembly is shaped to sit low and even from the cab all the way to the tailgate, so there's no noise, no clunking around, and it even helps with gas mileage. When it comes to the pricing on this is coming in anywhere from the $400 to $600 range depending on size and the exact one that you need. But for a hard tri-fold cover with an aluminum frame, tailgate locking security, weather seals, and a simple clamp-on install, this is sitting at a very solid value in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, this is going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 1 hour of your time. So let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you'll need a ratchet and an M5 Allen socket. Today, we are going to install a tonneau cover onto our Tundra. Let's get into it. First, we're going to install this bracket using an M5 Allen socket and a ratchet. Just going to slide it in through the front, just like that. This bracket goes towards the front of the truck. You're going to have another bracket with this kit that's a lot bigger. That goes to the rear. So for now, we're just going to be installing the front bracket. Now that you have this installed, you can do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to place the cover onto the truck. Now that we have it on top of the truck, we want to pull down on the clamps just like this. Slide it all the way over to the center or as far out as you can go. You want to do the same thing on the other side. Now that we have that done, we're going to bring the cover down. Then we just want to align it with the front of the truck. Now we're going to attach the bed cover to these mounting brackets. If your mounting bracket is not aligned with the bed cover, this is where you would loosen these 2 bolts and move it to where it is aligned. Since ours is aligned, we don't need to do that. Just want to make sure that it's right where it needs to be and tighten it down. Then do the same process on the other side. After that, you want to remove this clip right here. We're going to fold it out halfway and remove the protective foam that it comes shipped with. And then it's time to install our rear mounting brackets. This is the rear of the truck. So, same with the front. You just slide it in, just like that. Then we're gonna bring our cover down to make sure this lines up. So it's lined up where we want it, but this port right here needs to come up more. So we'll just grab our M5 Allen socket and a ratchet and loosen this port right here, just so it has some movement. While we're down here, we're gonna tighten these 2. We might have to push this up all the way. We can tighten this down fully. Do the same process on the other side.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the TruShield Premium Easy Hard Fold tonneau cover for the 2022 and newer Tundras with the 5.5 foot and the 6.5 foot beds. And for all things Tundra, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.